Then I can use this overcoat like a cape. Every superhero, I don't see most of the super have to have a cape. You don't know why they need a cape, but still. Okay, let's keep the leg here somewhere. देखो मैं कैसे इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा हूँ. एज आई एम ड्रॉइंग, आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रोवाइज कि मैं स्ट्रेट और कर्व लाइंस को कहाँ पे यूटिलाइज कर सकता हूँ, कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकता हूँ. राइट, यहाँ पे I will go into slight details of the fingers. I don't think we need to give anything in his hand right now. So let's add a nice pose. Okay. And also when you're designing a character, it's always interesting if you add a slight backstory to this character. Okay, maybe this character is a ex-cop, एक retired cop है और वो revenge लेना चाहता है कुछ villains से. So you create a backstory, and then suddenly you have you can add interesting features to the character. Now see, I've added a very nice pose to this this character. Let me add some wrinkles and all, and now I'll get into details of this character. Okay, and I'll try to exaggerate also. I'll try to make him slightly more heroic, right? And then we'll see what features we can add more. So यहाँ तक तो I think we can give him big gum boots. He can wear gum boots, and his jeans can, यहाँ पे इनकी jeans जो है, इसको jeans को थोड़ा सा cut कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे एक character आ जाएगा, rough character look आ जाएगा इसमें. And if you see, you can add little shades if you want. Let's decide that later. If you want to add shades to this character, shades यानी goggles, ठीक है? And okay, एक मुझे basic structure मिल गया है. Now I'll go to the next frame. I'll keep the onion skin on, and I will try to minimize the lines. Character design में हमेशा आप एक चीज याद रखो कि जितना आप simplification में काम करते हो, just for example ये simplification है, जितना आप simplification को continue कर सकते हो उतना ज्यादा आपका character appealing और interesting लगता है. At the same time, you have to keep in mind the attitude and the proportion. यहाँ पे अगर इस sketch को आप देखो, यहाँ पे इसमें कोई attitude नहीं है, right? He's a normal man walking. हमने यहाँ से inspiration लेके हम इसको यहाँ पे एक attitude डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है? So let's go into detail of this character now. I don't know how much time we have. I'll just try to quickly create a nice sketch. Okay. So I like the fact that he's bald. बहुत सारे सुपर हीरोज को बाल होते हैं सर पे, तो जरूरी नहीं है हमारे हीरो को बाल हो. So let's try and simplify. Let's take this thing. Let's give him. Let me use a slightly thinner brush. Let me zoom in also a little bit. और यहाँ पे फिर I can go into details. I'm adding thick eyebrows to him. And is looking at the camera. Okay. Sharp nose, right? And then let's add beard. यहाँ पे ये काम बहुत सारे लोगों को ये यहाँ पे ये बोरिंग लगने लगता है. यहाँ पे this is where you actually have to keep your patience on, because आपको एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर मिल गया है. अब इस स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर आपको आपका कैरेक्टर कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे बोर हो जाते हैं कि because you are getting into details of the character, but this is where once it's finished you will start loving it, you know. So let me just see what we can do here. Many a times you have to go back and see how this is looking. Yeah. Wow. So I actually like this character very much. See, I'm trying to use the curve lines, the straight lines, wherever I can find, you know. I'll try to use the straight fundamentals of straight and curve lines. यहाँ पे मैं इसको एक उसकी कॉलर को एक एंगल दे रहा हूं। And here now we have the basic structure in the background, so I don't have to think too much about the anatomy, but I can exaggerate it. मैं इसको और super heroic बनाने के लिए I can go ahead and can exaggerate the you know, the proportions little bit. I can add some wrinkles here. I can make the forearms slightly more bigger, you know. यहाँ पे because we have such a less time, I can't really try out all the options that I wish I could try out, you know, but I'll just try to see what as much as I can do in the given time. Let's add a nice jeans buckle to it. Okay. Let's add some wrinkles on the jeans. See, I'm trying to use the straight and curve line funda here as much as possible, you know. The straight lines don't need to be exactly straight, or the curve lines don't need to be exactly curved, but it has to have the basic flow of straight and curve lines. And then I can add a few things here, there, you know, maybe a big patch here. He's a rough character, very rough. Let's add like really huge, thick leather shoes. I think this will go with his character. Okay. और जितना हो सके आप फिर उसको, यू नो, डिटेल में जितना आपको टाइम मिले आप उतना डिटेल में उसको करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे मुझे जितना टाइम मिल रहा है मैं उसमें ट्राई करूंगा उसको जितना डिटेल हो सके उतना आपको करके दिखाऊंगा। यहाँ पे मुझे लगता नहीं मैं ज्यादा कुछ अभी एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊंगा कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन माय माइंड, बट जितना मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है पहले, जो बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स जिसके बारे में हमने बात किया था, बस वही चीजें मेरे दिमाग में अभी चल रही हैं कि इसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए आई हैव टू कीप दोज थिंग्स in mind while designing this character. तो यहाँ पे I'm going into slight details of the fingers. यहाँ पे आपको if you study little bit of hand gestures, you know, खुद के हाथ के आप photographs निकाल के you can start studying your hand gestures and start practicing them. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's see what I've designed. Let's put this off. Pretty good. So let me just keep going for another 10 minutes. यहाँ पे मैं इम्प्रोवाइज काफी कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कहाँ से मेरी लाइंस कौन से कहाँ से कनेक्ट हो सकती है, कहाँ पे जा सकती है, वेयर आई कैन exaggerate little bit more in terms of the anatomy, or in terms of creating more interest in the character. And you can anytime go and again go on another layer and again add more details to this character. अभी फिलहाल हमारे पास जितना टाइम हमारे पास है उतने में मैं आपको ये करके दिखा रहा हूँ, बट this is not the end. Maybe a couple of more layers of drawings and this can become a much better character, right? So let's see what we have done now. Yeah. Now here I can go more into details of the eyes and I think this is pretty much it, and you can add little shadow lines to the character to create a nice base. Add a little bit of grunge. So I think I should stop here right now. I hope everybody can see what I've done. Now let's go back and let's go back and let me just add a little bit more muscles to the character. Okay. Now let's go back what we have done and let's see how we can. Let's revise. Let me just check my timeline. Okay, we have successfully finished this session in an hour's time. So let's rewind and see what we have done. Okay, first is that we went and we practiced the basic shapes, right? Circle, triangle, rectangle, lines, jagged lines, straight lines. Okay, so we practice this. This is very important to practice every day. Okay, second, we learn to simplify the shapes of the characters. How we do that? First, we do observation. We observe the characters. We observe different people in different poses. This is one more example. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं नॉर्मल पोजेस हैं, नॉर्मल लोग हैं, बट इस चीज को लेके आप आगे एग्जैगरेट कर सकते हैं. देन वी स्टडी द सिलुएट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स. वी मेक श्योर द सिलुएट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी. जब आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी हमने इस कैरेक्टर का हमने सिलुएट जो है, ये सिलुएट जो है ये बहुत अच्छे से क्रिएट किया. ठीक है. देन वी वेंट ऑन टू a basic skeleton. Then we created the basic shapes where we can identify the chest and the abdomen and everything. And then we went on to creating a structure for this character, right? And after structure, we took all the references that we can take from a reference of a regular person and make it into a superhero, and then slightly exaggerate the features, and then we come up with this character, right? So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, यहाँ पे I will just take one more layer up here and I'll just try and draw for you. Okay, just give me 1 second please. यहाँ पे हमने सीखा है curve lines, straight lines, curve lines, straight line, curve line, straight curve, you know, curve, straight. We have used this principle. We have used the principle of the silhouette of the character, the character that we created. The silhouette is very strong. मैं आपको इसका सिलुएट क्रिएट करके दिखा रहा हूं. अभी मैं बहुत रफली आपको करके दिखा रहा हूं, just to give you an idea that how I kept in mind the silhouette of the character, so that it gives us a unique look to our character, right? Take a minute, let me just try and fill the color. No, I'm not fill the color. So you see, there's a nice silhouette that I created, है ना? So I think these are the basic fundamentals. इसके ऊपर और भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, but which can be done in the next session. Okay, so I think I've covered a lot of things in this session, and I hope you liked the session.